Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I thought I'd try the Mark Crilly drawing challenge where you draw something in 10 minutes, 1 minute, and 10 seconds. Something I always thought was quite interesting. It's interesting to see what you can do in just really short periods of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a girl side profile, and I'm just going to draw this from imagination. So let's just go ahead and get to it. I'm going to use my regular mixed media sketch pad and this Sanford Design ebony pencil. This pencil is actually quite old. This is probably 30 years old. You can't get this anymore. Nowadays it's made by Prismacolor. But anyway, let's get started. 10 minutes. Here we go. Just because I'm kind of pressed for time, I'm not going to bother with my usual guidelines as far as the proportions that are required for drawing a face. I'm just going to do this from having done this before and see. Not that it matters, remember, just because everyone's face is different. There's a lot of variation to begin with, so regardless of what you do, as far as the proportions, there's somebody out there in the world with those proportions. So I just didn't feel like it was that important. So I'm gonna take my time, 10 minutes time to do this one, and then use this as my reference then to draw the other faster drawings. I'm gonna do some shading since I have time to do this. Try to stay within the confines of the rectangle as well. And I'm just trying to get this hair covered as quickly as I can, not paying attention too much to the direction of my line, although I'm still trying to follow the hair direction as much as I can. Alright, I'm pretty much done with her. Maybe I'll shade this a little bit, blend it in with my finger, get some smoother gradients. And since I've got time, I'm just gonna add some background color as well. And I think I'll just make this a little bit more graphic and add like a darker outline to her profile. Okay, my battery had died, so I stopped the timer so I could change the battery, but here we are again. That was bad timing. And I went ahead and sharpened my pencil again as well. Maybe I'll give her some eyelashes here, some detail. Maybe smooth this out a little bit more. Her chin. And that earring that I had initially drawn is kind of disappeared after adding her hair here. Alright, I've got 2 minutes left. I'm not sure what more I can do here. I guess 10 minutes was plenty of time for me to do this. Let's see, maybe I can just make her hair longer. Yep, I'll just go ahead and add more hair. And I've got a little over a minute and a half. And I'm just going to cover this part here. I'm just going to cover her hair. Add some more strands of hair out here for detail. And this part needs to be evened out a little bit better. Maybe darken her neck a little bit more. And 30 seconds to go. I'm just using up the whole time here. I feel like I could have stopped over 3 minutes ago, but might as well use the whole time. And 13 seconds to go. And that's it. So there's the side profile of a girl. I felt like that was plenty of time to do that. But let's see how we do with the 1 minute. So here we go. Oops. Gotta reset this to 1 minute. Okay, here we go. All right, 20 seconds to go. All right. Oh, there it is. Let's do the 10 seconds. This will be a little bit stressful, but see what we can do. Let's restart this. Set it for 10 seconds. And I'm just gonna have to do a really quick outline here. Here we go. And there it is. Once 10 seconds is really not a lot of time. This is kind of like a gesture drawing. Just gotta get the critical parts in, her profile, eyes, lips, hair, and that's it. Definitely not a lot of time, but here we go. That was fun to do, actually, so I'm gonna have to try doing this again. Different subject matter, different writing, drawing stuff, pens maybe, markers, and keep trying this. This was fun, actually. So hey, I hope you enjoyed this. I did. So please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye. Tell me what, oh, by the way, tell me what you think of how I did, especially with this one right here. Anyway, thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye.